this video is going to be the last video you'll ever watch on how to open a PayPal account. Why am I so confident about this? Well, the thing is, I'm going to give you a guarantee that if you have any issue with the account when you open it, just contact me and I'll help you fix it. I'll leave my social media links, that is my Instagram and Twitter, in the description box so that you can reach out to me whenever you have any issue with this procedure. All you have to do is make sure that you follow all the guidelines and everything I'm going to teach you in this tutorial. Make sure you follow it step by step. Don't skip any part. Follow it till the end. Don't skip any part so that you don't make any mistake, because if you make a mistake, you won't get it right. So before jumping right into the tutorial, I would like you to know these things. Number one, if you have opened PayPal account before, please make sure you don't use the same browser to open this new one. Use a different browser. If you have only one browser on your phone or your system, then you go on incognito mode. Use incognito mode. And if you open it with that incognito mode, you have to stay there. So anytime you want to access the PayPal account, make sure you use that same browser to open it. Then two, make sure you use a different IP address. If you have opened a PayPal account before that got banned, or maybe a Nigerian PayPal account, please don't use the same IP address. What do I mean by IP address? Your network provider, in the sense of IP address, that's your network provider. So if you're using maybe a particular network to browse, then you have to use a different network altogether or a different line altogether to open this part, so that it doesn't have any ties with you at all. So if you don't have any other phone to do this or any other internet connection to do this, you can use that of your friend, your family member to do that. Share the hotspot and use it to open the PayPal account. But make sure you keep with it. Make sure that anytime you want to access the PayPal account, use the same IP address. Not that anything will happen, but I always like to be 100% sure. Then three, make sure you use a different email address. It's going to ask you for a business name. Use a different business name that you have used in the past to open other ones. Which brings me to my next point. I'm going to leave in the description box on how you can open a US bank account digitally from wherever you are and link it with your PayPal account. So I'm going to leave that link so that you're going to watch it and learn how you can open the US bank account. It's so easy, something you can do under 2 minutes, and then you have your own bank account for yourself. Then you can link it with your PayPal account and withdraw directly from your PayPal to your US bank account. Then from the US bank account, you can now withdraw to your local bank. These are the things that you must follow. You must follow these rules. They are something you don't need to mix anyone. You don't need to mix anyone. You don't need to miss anyone. You have to stick with it and make sure you follow it step by step. We're going to jump right into my system so that I can show you how to create this. It's quite easy, fast, as long as you follow the procedures that I've laid down. It's something that is not difficult, and it's something that you can do in less than 5 minutes. So the link that you need to go to is paypal.com/AE/business. This is the PayPal account domain name that you have to visit. So make sure you use this link. I'm also going to leave it in the description box. You can just click it from there and then start accessing it from there. Go to sign up. You choose personal account, shop in your country and around the world, blah, 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 business account. So we're going to choose business account because business account doesn't require too much of verification than the personal account. Because if you're using personal account, there are some transactions that will be hitting your account and then they'll start verifying this, bring the other one, bring the other one. And then at the end of the day, it's going to affect you. So it's best you use the business account because obviously we are using it for business. So let's just go with the business. Then complete security challenge, crosswalk, select crosswalk, impute an email address. So I'm going to go ahead and impute an email address. So here you're going to choose your name, input your business contact, put your legal name first and legal last name. So in my case, it's Charles. So here you put your business name. It could be anything. Put your business name here. So put your business name. I'm just using this for this tutorial. And then the ultimate masterclass, this is the name you want your customers to see. And then here you choose your Nigerian number that you can verify now. Please, the phone number is a very important part. Don't ever use the phone number you have used before on any PayPal account. So if you have maxed out all the number you have, I would advise that you buy a phone line, a new line that you can use for this. But the problem with that is that if you buy that line, you're most likely not going to be using it because, I mean, you will not be using lots of lines. And then you're going to leave it out for some time. And then the network providers will sell it to another person or block it or something. And then one day, PayPal will just wake up and send you notification. You can't log into your account. And then you need verification, you need a code from the line, and then you can't access the line again. Your account will be gone. There's nothing I can do. So what you should do is make sure you use a valid and active phone number. So if you have maxed out your phone numbers, please get the phone number of someone close to you and use that, okay? So here we're going to use Nigerian number. Make sure it's going to be your country number that you still have access to, okay? So this is where it gets tricky. Some people will tell you that you have to put your Nigerian address, that it doesn't matter. It matters. It matters. So what you should do is quickly open another browser and search for, remember this AE is Dubai, okay? Arab Emirates, that's what the AE means. So we are using the PayPal for Dubai. So what we are supposed to do now is get location, a valid working active location in Dubai. So let's go to beauty spa in Dubai. Do you get the point? Well, please, if this video has been valuable to you so far, please go ahead and like the video so that other people will see it and benefit from it. Okay, so beauty spa address. So add address. So you can get an address. Okay, get the point? So you can get an address of somewhere. So this is, you're going to use random addresses. Okay, you're going to use random address. And that is what you're going to work with because you need everything to be accurate. You need everything. The only thing that will be your Nigerian identity there is your name, your ID, and your phone number. Because, of course, I can move from Nigeria to Dubai, okay? But I can't move from Nigeria to Dubai and still maintain my Nigerian address. So that's just the logic around it. So this is the way it has worked for me, okay? It's asking for PO box. So we're going to look for an address that has a PO box. And use that. So we'll click on more businesses. If we click on more businesses, we'll see this. So we can use this as the PO box. So just use this as the PO box. Then additional information. We don't have any additional information. City. So what's the city here? This one is in Dubai. This one is in Dubai. So Dubai. And just to be safe, the Exchange Tower Business Bay. So you're going to use a valid address, okay? A valid address. The Exchange Tower Business Day, Dubai Marina, city. By clicking yes, agree, select your business type. So you see everything went through. You saw what I did there. So you just get a working address. I'll explain further as we go. So here you select individual slash sole proprietorship so that it doesn't ask you for your business registration number, because if you use sole proprietorship, it's going to ask you for your incorporation number. Okay, so you don't want that, because even if they are saying it's optional now, maybe in future, as a bit to verify the account, they will ask you for your business registration number. So please don't do that. Let's use individual slash sole proprietorship. So we'll put digital goods, depending on what you offer, but you know, it could be anything. It could be anything for you. If you have a website address, you can go ahead and choose that and click continue. Then you put your date of birth, your month and year. Make sure everything is correct, okay? Make sure everything is correct. See the address, everything has to be correct. So you choose your identity, national ID, passport, driver's license. So if you have a passport, I advise you use your passport, because of course that will still be your ID even if you travel abroad. But if you don't have a passport, you can use your driver's license, or anyone works. So I'll go ahead and impute this year of birth and everything, and then I'll show you the next part. So the PayPal account has been registered and they've sent me a confirmation email. So I'll go ahead and click on confirmation to confirm the email address. So as you can see, our PayPal account is now active. No error anywhere. As you can see, there's no error. Here you can you can start receiving money. Here it's fresh new account, hasn't received any money. So if you want to add your card or your US bank account, all you have to do is come here and click on see details, link your card, or you can click on activities. Just want to show you guys the two ways to do it, or you can just click on pay and get paid and then click on banks and card. It will still take you to the same place. So here you see where you can add your new bank, link a new card. So if you click on link a new bank, it's going to give you details on what to do. And for your card, you can do the same thing for your card as well. Link your card if you have your domiciliary account, but you can add your Nigerian debit card. No, you can't even add the one that you can use to pay dollar, the one that gives you $20 per month. No, you can't add that here. So it can only be a domiciliary account card or a US bank account that is working here for now. So if there's any update, I'll still let you guys know, but this is just how to open a working PayPal account from your country if PayPal is restricted in your country. Remember, you have to watch how to open the US bank account. Please click here to watch it. Click here now to watch it after this video. Just click here to watch it. And then I'm also going to leave my social media links in the description below so that you can contact me if you have any issue with this PayPal account, creating the PayPal account, or you get banned or anything. Any issue, I'll help you sort it. I want this to be the last PayPal tutorial you have to ever watch to be able to have a working PayPal account. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the other side.